In this video, we're going to talk about how you can turn on overdraft on Cash App. Now, in order to turn on overdraft on Cash App, you will need to load up the app. Then click on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. And from here, we want to focus on Cash App Green, which is going to be this one. Now, basically, you will need to qualify for Cash App Green. And how we can do that is by setting up a qualifying direct deposit, like a paycheck of at least $300 monthly, or spending $500 with your Cash App card, which automatically is gonna unlock free overdraft coverage. That is the criteria you need to meet in order to qualify or enable overdraft on Cash App. So that's gonna be setting up direct deposit of $300 or spending $500 with your Cash App card. And that should unlock the overdraft. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.